Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and very good morning. So today we are going to discuss about multi-area OSPF version 3 for IPv6. Version 3 is only for IPv6. In this activity we will configure multi-area OSPFv3. The network is already connected and interfaces are configured with IPv6 addresses. So our job is to enable multi-area OSPFv3 and we need to verify the connectivity and examine the operation of multi-area OSPFv3. Okay. So in this activity, first what we need to do, so we need to understand the scenario here. So we have area 1, area 0 and area 2. Always area 0 is we know it's a backbone area, so all other areas are connected with our backbone area 0. So first what we need to do it, so we need to first enable the IPv6 routing. Okay, so these are the steps we need to follow one by one. Step 1, enable IPv6 routing and configure OSPF v3 on router A. So this is the router A. If you will see the routing table, in the routing table, so router 1 have 3 interfaces: gigabit 00, if you will see gigabit 00, gigabit 01 and serial 00. So this is the IPv6 addresses already assigned and configured on their interfaces. Okay, so gigabit 00 area in area 1, this is in area gigabit 00 in area 1. Okay, gigabit 01 is again area 1. Okay, this is area 1, this pink color in area 1. Okay, so they are in the pink color, if you will see, because we already use a different color. Pink area we use for area 1, this yellow almost okay color we are using for area 0, and this color we are using for area 2, just to distinguish, to differentiate, to visualize clearly. Okay, so gigabit 01, okay, and again this is in area 1, gigabit 01 and serial 00 in area 0, because this serial interface is in area 0, because this is a area border router. It has one interface in area 0 and other two interfaces in area 1. So this is what is this router? This is area border router, so because it has one interface in one area and other interfaces are on the other areas. Okay, so let's configure router 1, then router B, and then router C one by one. Okay, let's start router 1 configuration. So what we need to do, I think again the font is very small, so go to the option, just change the font size, and the font size last time we used 12 was acceptable, and we'll use 12. Now it is okay, I think so. So now let me organize little bit so everyone can see easily. Okay, now what we need to do, first we need to enable IPv6 unicast routing. Okay, so first step is enable IPv6 unicast routing. Okay, first step you can see here, the first step is enable IPv6 unicast routing. So how we can enable IPv6 routing, how we can enable? Okay, so we can enable, which command we can use for IPv6 to enable the IPv6? Yes, you are absolutely all right, correct. IPv6 unicast routing. Okay, this is the command to enable IPv6 routing. Okay, then the second step is so this, oh, just wait a moment, it's a little bit. Okay, configure OSPFv3 on router A with process ID 1 and router ID 1.1.1.1. okay, so the process ID is the local significant, as we know, so it has a local significance process ID. So we will write IPv6 okay, IPv6 router IPv6 route, 1 minute, IPv6 router OSPF. Okay, here we can mention the process ID. Okay, so process ID 1. Okay, so after that you can mention the router ID. What is the router ID? 1.1.1.1. Based on the instruction, it is given 1.1.1, if you will see here. Then step number 2, advertise each directly connected. If you will see here, advertise each directly connected network in OSPFv2 v3 on router A. So in router A, these are the interfaces. We need to go to each interface and we need to advertise these directly connected network in OSPFv3. Okay, so what we will do, we will go to these interfaces. As we discuss here, we have the interface gigabit 00, 01 and serial 00. Okay, so first we will go to the interface gigabit 00. Okay, so exit, just go to the interface gigabit 0/0. Okay, so 0/0. So what command we need to write? IPv6. Okay, then what we need to write? IPv6 OSPF. Okay, so the second command is IPv6 OSPF. Okay, what is the process ID? 1. Okay, and we need to mention the area. So this gigabit 00 in area, which area it belongs to? It belongs to area 1. You can see this gigabit 00 and this is 01. Okay, so this is gigabit 00, it belongs to area 1. Okay, area 1. Okay, then again exit, and we need to go to the another interface gigabit 01. Okay, interface gigabit 0/1. Okay, we need to type the same command, IPv6 OSPF. Okay, OSPF. After that, what we need to type? OSPF area, process ID area. Okay, again this is again area 1. Okay, exit. Okay, then there's this serial interface, S00. Okay, interface serial 0/0. Okay, sorry, interface serial /0/0/0, and then you need to type same command, IPv6 OSPF process ID and area. This time area 1. No, this time not area 1, area 0. This time area is 0 because this serial interface is on area 0. Okay, so this is the thing we need to do it. We need to complete the rest of the steps in the same way. So we configure IPv6 on each interface of the router A, and we need to repeat the same steps in router B and C. So for router B, we need to configure router ID 2.2.2.2, and router C, we need to configure 3.3.3.3 respectively. Okay, now what we can do, we can go to the router 2 and follow the same step. Router 2 mean router B. Go to the router B, go to their interfaces. Okay, so quickly I will go there, configure terminal. Okay, let me open and the activity here, and where is the command? Okay, so directly I can go there, and I know the interfaces. Interface gigabit 0/0, interface 0. Okay, again first exit, and we need to enable the IPv6 Unicast routing. Please don't forget to run this command. This is very, very important. If you will not enable IPv6 routing, you cannot configure the IPv6, OSPFv3 routing protocol. Okay, so first you need to write OSPF Unicast routing. Okay, this is very important, so you have to run this command. After that, what you need to do it, you need to write IPv6 router, IPv6 router OSPF. Okay, so which one you want to configure? Router OSPF. Okay, so the process ID is 1. Okay, we will configure same processor ID. Okay, router ID as discussed, as mentioned, 2.2.2.2, 2.2.2.2, and then we need to go to the interface gigabit 00. Okay, all interfaces in area 0, so all interfaces are in area 0. First interface gigabit 0/0. Okay, sorry, exit interface gigabit 0/0, and just what we need to type the command IPv6. Tell me the next one, IPv6 OSPF, then process ID, after that area. So this is area 0. So I will copy the same command, just we need to change the interface and exit and then go to the interface serial 0/0/0 0/0/0/0, then type the same. Okay, then exit. Okay, then interface serial 0/0/1. Okay, then it is also in area 0, so we type the same command. Okay, so this one done, finish, and you can double check show IPv6 routing. Okay, you can see now this is configured. Show run, if you will write, even though you can show running configuration, you can also see this is the areas IPv6 OSPF. If you will see here, area 0 is configured and all the configuration is there. Okay, router ID is configured and everything is configured. Okay, then go to the router C. We need to follow the same steps and configure terminal. Okay, so IPv6 unicast routing, IPv6 unicast routing, just to enable the IPv6 routing. After that, we need to run IPv6 router. Which router? OSPF, process ID 1. Okay, in this one, router ID you can configure also there. Router ID is in router C, router ID 3.3.3.3, and now we need to go to the each interface and run the command. Okay, so how many interfaces we have? 1, 2 and 3. These 3 interfaces we need to type the command just to enable the routing. Okay, first we will go to the interface gigabit 00, interface gigabit 0/0, and IPv6 OSPF, process ID 1 and area. Okay, so this is gigabit 00, so both gigabit 00 we in area 2. Okay, area 2, so this is area 2. We will go copy this one. I will copy the command and exit and interface gigabit 0/1 and run the same command. Okay, because it is in area 2. This is area 2. Okay, then exit and now interface serial. Okay, what is the serial interface? Serial 0/0/1. Okay, then this is area 1 or 2? Yeah, no, this is area 1, because if you will see, no, sorry, area 0. If you will see, this is area 0. Okay, it is connected. This serial interface is connected with area 0. Okay, so done, finished. So this is the activity. You can see, you can ping and check the connectivity, everything is in working. So that's all for IPv6. So you can configure multi-area OSPFv3 by using IPv6, and this is the video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any question, you can ask the question. I can answer in my next video. So please